Hello, we're here at Madison Iron and Wood today to discuss the size of our post caps in comparison to the size of your post.
We will also show you a few different ways that you can alter your posts so that these fit perfectly on top.
Our post caps are made to order, so they take 1 to 2 weeks for delivery. This ensures that they are the highest quality post cap on the market.
Post caps can vary in size from 3.5 by 3.5 inches to 5.5 by 5.5 inches. 4x4 post can vary from 3.5 inches to 4 inches, but treated post should always be 3.5 inches.
Here are a few reasons why your post cap may not fit right. Your posts may be new and have not had time to completely dry. An easy way to fix this is just to let them dry. It can shrink up to a 1/4 inch in the driest days of the summer.
Your posts may be old and swollen at the top. A couple tools you can use to fix this is a chisel and a wood file.
You may have a hardwood post. These can range anywhere from 3.5 to 4 inches, so you may need to use one of our true 4x4 cast iron post caps.
The reason you want your post cap to fit perfectly on your post is to prevent from cracking and aging. Just like potholes, cracking is caused when water seeps into the top of the post, freezes, and expands. If your post came with straight edges, you may need to round them so that the cap fits correctly.
You can round the edges using a utility knife, hammer, or rasp. But rest assured, 95% of the post caps we send out yearly fit, and the other 5% are out of our control. Thanks for watching, and we hope this answered all your questions.
If you have any more questions or just want to go check out some of our post caps, go to www.madisonironandwood.com or follow the link in the description.
And don't forget to like and subscribe.